Stop. Before you skip pasta tonight, you need to hear this. Italians have been eating these 7 dishes for centuries, and they actually help you burn fat while you sleep. Sounds crazy? Stick around because number 3 is a total game changer. My own Italian grandmother ate pasta every single night. She lived to 97 with a 24-inch waist. Doctors are now calling her favorite dishes the Mediterranean fat-burning miracle. Let's dive in. By the end, you'll know the 7 Italian dishes that activate your body's natural fat-burning hormones while you sleep. If you think pasta makes you fat, you've been lied to. Here's why. Number 7. Tomato bruschetta. Tomatoes are rich in polyphenols that support metabolism, and olive oil balances insulin. Small combos that prime overnight fat burn. Number 6. Hearty minestrone with beans. Fiber and resistant starch from beans feed good gut bacteria, which boosts overnight fat oxidation. But here's what nobody tells you about timing. Number 5. Grilled fish with lemon and herbs. Omega-3s and healthy fats reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance that favors overnight calorie burn. Number 4. Zucchini spaghetti, aglio e olio. Lower carb base with garlic and olive oil supports stable blood sugar and nighttime fat use. Number 3. Whole grain penne with chickpeas. Complex carbs plus plant protein keep insulin low and boost a nocturnal fat burning. This one's a total game changer. Number 2. Broccoli rabe with garlic and olive oil. Bitter greens activate bile and improve fat metabolism. Combined with mufas, they promote overnight lipolysis, but the top 2 will shock you. Number 1. This salad activates brown fat, burning calories 24/7. Citrus, peppery arugula, and healthy fats together stimulate brown adipose tissue and improve overnight thermogenesis. Which dish will you try tonight? Comment below and I'll reply with the exact recipe.